Tonight we will begin looking at statements about district-wide data related to the CASP assessments in order to begin making decisions for the budget for the 2019-2020 school year. This short video gives a bit of detail so that you can see evidence for the data statements in a graphic representation. All of this information is available on the California Schools dashboard page. Let's begin with an overview of the district data for English Language Arts and Mathematics. When we look at the district average on CASP performance, our mean scores for all students in language arts was 23.8 points above the standard, or green, on the dashboard indicator. The mean score for all students in California was 6 points below the standard, or orange on the indicator. In math, our mean score was 7.7 points above the standard, compared to the state average of 36.4 points below the standard. But not all student groups have the same performance. Red, orange, and yellow bands show students who are not yet meeting the grade level standard, and in English Language Arts, those student groups are listed here or on the handout that you can access through the QR code or link on your data summary sheets. 4 of our student groups met or exceeded standard in English Language Arts. In math, we can see a similar pattern, with 7 student groups not yet meeting standard and 4 who are meeting or exceeding the standard. Going a bit deeper, this graph shows the longitudinal data for CASP performance in various student groups. The green line at 0 shows the grade level standard performance. Anything above the line exceeds the standard, and anything below the line indicates that the average score for students in that group is not yet at mastery. Remember that all of these are average scores for a student group, and some students in the group perform very differently than the average score. Light to dark blue bars show the performance in 2015-16, 2016-17, and 2017-18. Gray bars show the 3-year goals that were set for many student groups in the 2015-16 school year. Not all student groups had goals set in that first year of the LCAP process, but we will begin setting goals for those groups this year. Let's consider English learners. Let's consider English language learner. The light blue bar shows that this group had an average score of 34 points below standard in the 2015-16 school year. The goal was for us to provide programs so that this group would grow by approximately 20 points a year, meaning that they would be exceeding standard by the 2019-2020 school year. Those growth goals are shown in the progressively dark gray bars. While our goal was for a 20-point increase, the student group actually dropped 6 points in the 2017-18 year and then recovered by about 5 points last year. Data for math is presented in this chart that follows the same format and is available in the online resource linked to the QR code or tiny URL on your data summary sheet. Thank you for your engagement in our local control accountability plan.